Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Currently right now in a trade with gold floating, I think around 1R. We'll go through that trade today, but before that, let's just jump right into the charts. So this is the 17th of August to the 23rd of August, fundamental analysis as per usual. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, and trading is difficult. It's, again, not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only. So starting first with the COT reporting, quite interesting. Most of the currencies I'm trading have ticked bearish. The only thing that ticked bullish is British pound, and this is supported with the fundamental data that we are receiving as well. So very interesting take. I'm very long on the pound compared to the other currencies. In terms of from a indices point of view, we have ticked slightly more bullish for the Dow Jones. However, with some of the economic readings recently, I'm not really confident in trading the Dow. We're just going to leave it alone, which we'll see on the next page. Gold again, still net bullish long term. Got a slight tick down, but we're still at 88.1% in favor of long for the gold. So still bullish gold. We are in a trade, like I said before, and we'll delve a bit deeper into that after. Fundamental data. So if we were to just zoom in a little bit, you guys can see that we've got USD, no new readings for this week, still very, very net bearish. We had Aussie ticking even more bearish with the cooler than expected labor market readings. We have yen being even more bearish with these preliminary GDP numbers being cooler than expected. And then we have pound again still showing bullishness overall compared to the other currencies. So very bullish on the pound, bearish on yen, bearish on Aussie, extremely bearish on dollar. So in terms of what I'm going to want to trade this week, we've got gold, COT reporting, we're still net overall bullish. We've got economic data being extremely bullish. We've got bearish inflation, which is good, bearish economic, which is good, and bearish labor market, which is good. Still very much long bias on gold. US 30, although we got bullishness in the COT reporting and technical data, the economic news, bearish inflation is good, but bearish US economic and bearish labor market isn't favorable for longing US 30. Reason being is obviously economic activity or hotter than expected economic data indicates a thriving economy, which is pretty much, the economy and companies running the country. So that's pretty much a no-brainer. And then labor market, obviously, if we've got better labor market, strengthened labor market, people are working, people are enjoying their work, then the companies that they work for should, in theory, strive as well. So we've got bearishness there. I'm actually net bearish this. It's going against the technical trend. Let's not trade it. Simple as that. AU and UJ, basically, we've just got bearishness in both the currencies that are crossed. So just prefer not to trade it. We could potentially short UJ, but because USD is more bearish, but it's just not worth it. I've got a better pair here, GJ, we've got some strength in pound, some extreme strength in pound compared to the yen. I'd rather trade that to the long side. So let's just jump onto the charts, suss out what I've got going on. So I'm just going to line that up, line this up. Okay, so gold trade that I'm currently in. Let's talk about it. Gold, we can see we are above the moving average. We've broke this previous lower high, broke it to the upside. We've got some big impulses, jumped down to the H4. We see this area tested a couple times, came back here, saw this rejection wick, saw this bull candle straight after that bear candle, means there's indecision here. People are trying to get in this area. It's a high liquidity zone. My entry was here, stop loss here. Stop loss moved under this higher low here. And yeah, we're going to let it move. If it pumps even higher, I'll probably move it under here or here to secure some profits. But yeah, that's my gold trade right now. Very happy with the trade. We'll give it some room, let it breathe. GJ, we are above the MA, so we're in bullish territory. We've got a nice zone here marked up, right? Nice rejection wick, nice zone here marked up. If it does end up here, we will definitely look to get in. I'm not looking to trade the previous higher high. It's not really my jam. I don't like that scenario right now, so we'll just wait for this position here and get in for GJ. Having a look at AJ and UJ. AJ still a bit more bullish for the Aussie. Actually more bullish for yen, but you know, again, I don't want to risk it. We could potentially see a pump down here, but rather just leave it alone right now. UJ, still bearish territory, still net bearish. I don't think USD is doing too well, so potentially could be a trade here, and zone marked here, but again, I've got better pairs to trade with. I've got GJ, which is more obvious, more from a fundamental standpoint, so rather just stay on the side. But yeah, all in all, that is the week done, guys. I will catch you on the next one.